Greetings, Creighton parents and students. My name is Katherine Pollock. I teach both orchestra and general music, which is geared toward piano. Um, the course requirements are on our Teams page in the class notebook, but some of the things that your students are going to be learning this year include note reading, rhythm notation, the technique they need for each instrument that they play. We'll talk about instrument care. We'll talk about music history and different styles of music from all over the world. My goal is to give each student all the tools that they need in order to teach themselves, and subsequently, they can help each other out. Um, all of our meetings are on your student's calendar, and they can join right from there. And if they are not in the meeting, sometimes I will call them in. Well, every time I will call them in case they're having problems. Weekly assessments will happen generally Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, depending on how much understanding there is of the content. When students don't get things turned in on time, I will reach out to them individually, and I put it on our calendar. So I am always available during RTI from 2 to 4 every single day. Friday is generally for related arts people, but if your student needs me for anything, I'm always here. I do post their uh, grades in PowerSchool as quickly as I possibly can. And again, those students that sometimes are a little bit later getting their things in, I do reach out to them because I want everyone to succeed. Yes. We do not have textbooks for this class currently, and I'm not sure that we're going to have them. So I'm going to supply them with every resource that they are going to need for this class. If you have problems with technology, there is a number on the Creighton website that you can contact them, or you can call the school and talk to Miss Mazer, who is our media specialist. So I am so excited to be back teaching this year, even if it looks incredibly different than what I'm used to. Um, I love being in front of your kids. I've gotten to know them so far, and I'm loving every minute. And we're going to have a great, great school year. Go Cavs.